Okay, if you're using your iPad only to host a Zoom session, the first time you try, you might be a little confused. I know that I was, because when I clicked on shared screen, what I got was this menu right here, and I thought, okay, I don't want to record anything. I don't want to really start a broadcast because I thought it was a recording, but it's not. It's actually just meaning you're going to broadcast what's on your iPad. So you just click on Zoom, start broadcast, and then you'll see a little countdown, and then what you see right now, if I click, is my desktop or my main screen from my iPad, and you'll see right now I've got, as if I was an attendee, that's what's showing right now. So if I double click and say I wanted to show this video, see, now the students can see exactly what it is that I'm clicking on. It will open up. Okay, if I want to go back to the Zoom screen just to go ahead and see my students, because again, this is, I've got the iPad running as the host now, I will go ahead and click back on the Zoom button, and I will stop the broadcast. That won't stop the broadcast of my screen, it just stops sharing everything except the video. So now that I've done it, I'm back to just having my video. Here I am again, so I can talk to my students, and then you'll see I'm up there too, also on the laptop again is serving as my student, and then down here on the iPad, this is where I'm controlling it from. Okay, you can still share easy enough as a whiteboard from here when you click on share content and whiteboard, and that's actually why I had this on, because I wanted to go ahead and show my student I was working with how to do some math. So I had that set up, and you just go up here to stop the share, but then when I wanted to actually show him something on Khan Academy, I couldn't figure out why I couldn't see it. But now I know it is, you just have to click on share content, then select screen, make sure that Zoom is selected here, and then just click on start broadcast. Okay, that's all you need to do. One thing that I did want to make you aware of, if you want to make sure that you do not get any like notifications or updates while you're working, go into your settings, okay, and you would do this before you start one of your live video chats. Go into settings, and then you'll see under, on the left side, when you scroll down, you'll see do not disturb. Go ahead and turn on do not disturb, and then you won't get notifications or anything like that. So that would be pretty helpful. You'll also see down here in the control center, when you click on control center, and then over here go to customize controls. And if you don't have screen recording up here, you are going to want to move that. So if you see screen recording down here somewhere at the bottom, you just click on the plus sign, and then that'll move it up here. And so then that will be something that'll appear as in your control center, and that way if you wanted to record, you're all set to do that from your iPad. The other way that that's helpful is you want to make sure, I'm just going to use my pull down, and again I did that from the upper right corner. You'll see right here there's the circle with the line. When I hold my finger down on that, it's saying which thing do I want to record from. I want to record from Zoom. So just click on Zoom, and that's all set.